Hey growers, welcome back to Grower Today. In today's video, we're answering a common question: how to care for snake plants indoors. Imagine a plant that not only beautifies your home, but also purifies the air you breathe. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover why the snake plant is the perfect addition to your indoor space. Snake plants, also known as sansevieria or mother-in-law's tongue, are celebrated for their hardy nature and striking appearance. These plants are incredibly low maintenance, making them ideal for those who might forget to water regularly. One of the standout benefits of snake plants is their ability to filter toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and carbon dioxide from the air. To ensure your snake plant thrives, place it in a spot with bright, indirect light. They can tolerate low light but will grow better with more light. Avoid placing your snake plant in direct sunlight, as this can scorch the leaves and cause them to yellow. Watering is crucial. Snake plants prefer dry conditions. Water them sparingly, about once every 2 to 4 weeks. Always check the soil before watering. If the top 1 to 2 inches are still damp, hold off on watering. Use well-draining soil, such as a cactus or succulent mix, to prevent root rot. Ensure your pot has drainage holes to avoid water pooling at the bottom, which snake plants hate. Snake plants thrive in temperatures between 60–85 degrees Fahrenheit or 16 to 29 degrees Celsius, but can tolerate cooler conditions down to 50 Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius. Humidity is not a concern for snake plants, making them perfect for homes with dry indoor air. Fertilize your snake plant minimally, using a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength once a month during the growing season. Skip fertilization in winter, as snake plants enter a dormant phase and don't need extra nutrients. Pruning is minimal. Just trim off any dead, damaged, or yellow leaves at the base. Repot your snake plant every 2–3 years, using fresh soil and a pot one size larger to give the roots room to expand. Common problems include yellowing leaves, often due to overwatering or poor drainage. Adjust your watering schedule accordingly. Brown tips can result from low humidity or inconsistent watering. Trim the tips and adjust your care routine. While rare, pests like spider mites or mealybugs can be treated by wiping the leaves with a damp cloth or using a mild insecticidal soap. Regularly wipe down the leaves to remove dust, which can block light absorption and slow growth. Caring for a snake plant is easy and rewarding. Enjoy its air-purifying benefits and unique beauty with minimal effort. Happy planting! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gardening tips. Grower Today.